my voice a little fucked up right now.
Drum dealers.
We gon' make this motherfucker work though, yeah? Hey man, talk that shit. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked. You know I'm cracking trays, bitch, you know I'm 3 them K. Keep talking crazy, get that issue, ain't no other way. I call up gang and you know they don't fucking play. I call up Tay, he bring that K, but I ain't talking K. When 2-1 knock, come hit your block, yeah, they gon' fucking spray. Y'all niggas out, y'all call the cops, but we running from Jake's. We get it crackin', ain't no lacking, pistol packing. Keep a 30 on me, never bout my lonely. Always from my homies, never around the phony. Bitches always on me, niggas tryna call me. If you try to rob me, yeah, I got it on me. I'm always on my grind, never wasting time. Damn, look at short, she looking kinda fine. I'm tryna make her mine, looking like a dime. Yeah, smile, make her body shine. I'm just a young nigga tryna come up from the fuck up. But if you run up, bitch, you know what's up. How a boss do it, something very fluent. Counting all this cash, hands hurting bad cause it keep moving. Bands in my pocket got me sitting up like I was a student. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked. Bitch, I'm guapped up, know I keep that Glock tucked.